Qatar military strength. Global rank 63. Capital Doha. Population 2,795,484. Defense budget 15.4 billion US dollars. Total military personnel 87,050. Active personnel 66,550. Reserve personnel 15,000. Paramilitary 5,500. Air Force personnel 2,000. Army personnel 42,500. Navy personnel 4,500. Tanks 99. Armored fighting vehicles 5,544. Self-propelled artillery 46. Two-wheeled artillery 12. Multi-launch rocket systems 16. Total aircraft 228. Fighter aircraft 92. Attack aircraft 6. Transport aircraft 12. Trainer aircraft 51. Total helicopters 67. Attack helicopters 24. Total naval assist 123. Corvettes 4. Patrol vessels 20.